Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Ltsc license and that TPM2. 0, secure boot and disk space are ready. This avoids activation hiccups and driver conflicts. Next, back up your data and create recovery media so you can restore if needed. That step saves hours later. Once done, download the Ltsc ISO and verify the checksum. Then prepare a bootable USB with Rufus or media creation. These first actions set a stable foundation for installation. You boot from the USB and choose a custom install to place Ltsc on the intended partition. Partitioning correctly prevents accidental data loss. During the first boot, install vendor chipset, storage, and network drivers to ensure performance and connectivity. This prevents subsequent driver mismatch issues. Then apply offline updates and offline CAB drivers where necessary, and configure privacy and telemetry settings, plus local group policies, so the system matches enterprise stability goals. You now activate Windows with your Ltsc key and confirm activation and update status. This ensures ongoing security updates. Next, install only essential applications, enable Microsoft Defender, and set Windows Update for Business or WSUS to control patches. Finally, optimize image by removing unused features and capture a clean system image. If something goes wrong, use recovery media, boot safe mode, run DISM and SFC scans, and examine event viewer logs to isolate and fix the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.